Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do the next activity of craft. So take your craft book in front of you and open page number 33 of your craft book. Page number 33. So our today's activity name is Well Origami. So students, for this activity, papers are attached with this activity page. There are two papers are given for this activity. So before start to do our activity, we are going to read the instructions. Use the attached sheet of construction paper and cut it into a square. Fold inwards one by one from each side to meet the crease in the center. Fold in a small triangle from the top to make the face. Fold the paper longitudinally in half. Make a fold at the other end for the tail. Cut a small slit at the folded part of the tail so that it can be separated. Stick on small googly eye and draw a mouth at the crown with a red piece of paper as shown and paste your well on the given facing page. So students, this way we are going to do this well activity. So let's start to do our today's activity. So there are two papers given for us. From this, we are going to take orange color paper and we are going to fold this paper in triangle shape like this way. Yes, and we are going to cut the extra part. So after folding and cutting, we'll get a square. Now we are going to fold this paper from both the sides till the middle line like this way. Yes, so fold it properly from both the sides. Yes. After this, we are going to fold this paper from this side like this way. And then we'll fold this paper in the middle and we are going to make it half. So students, you can see our well is ready. Now on this tail, we are going to give a little cut. Yes. So when we'll fold it, it will look like this way. Okay. So take another red color paper and cut it into half. Now after that, we are going to give small cuts on this paper like this way. Till the end, we are going to give cuts to this paper. So this way, give the cuts to this paper till the end and then start to fold this paper like this way. Yes, so we are going to fold it till the end like this way. Yes, students. Yes, so this way we have folded this paper till the end and at the end we are going to apply Fevicol and we are going to stick it. So let's stick this paper at the end like this way. So this is the crown and we are going to stick this crown on the head of this well like this way. Okay, so let's stick it from inside and we are going to stick our well on this page like this way. After sticking well in the book, we are going to stick one eye like this way. If you don't have googly eye, you can draw small black color eye on this paper. And after this, we are going to draw a mouth like this way. Yes, so students, you can see our well origami activity is complete. So do your activity very nicely. Thank you so much.